Stop!
Throwing exit cars today.
He thought trolling traffic would earn him some easy content, but all it earned him was a mistake that cost him thousands. The driver probably expected a reaction, just not this one. The guy either did it on purpose, or he was just late for school.
A Mustang?
The car loses control right after the launch. The valet was assigned to drive a Bugatti for the first time, and turns out that also his last day on the job.
Oh, no.
This cop regret his choice to deal with a Mercedes. The Supra was trying to overtake his opponent, but ended up taking himself to the wall. This Porsche takes control of his wheel. And this one somehow loses his wheel. The driver was lucky the car didn't flip over, so he managed to drive it back on track. The car did ended up stuck in the middle of the bridge, making the car behind him had to stop.
Cool.
This type of problem you don't want to have when driving a hypercar. This Mercedes loses control on a perfectly flat road.
Volkswagen, das Auto.
And this Mercedes loses control while trying to show off. Turns out he drive off like there was nothing happened. Looks like someone forgot to pull the handbrake.
Bye.
This Lamborghini owner didn't even realize there was a flame in the back of his car.